I just wanted to make this video because lately it seems like everyone on the internet has just gotten way more hateful. Like, there's a lot of people that I'm subscribed to, like Amber. She just posted a video a few days ago explaining like how all the comments like about hate and stuff like are really getting to her, and it's so true. Comments can get to someone like that. And I don't know, she's not too well known, but Desiree Kunk, she posted a video saying that she was gonna stop making videos because so many people were hating on her. It's like, that's terrible. Like, D-Fizzy, Damon. What? Just kidding. No, he just made a video because everyone was hating on like his last video. And it's like, what the duck? Like, so much hate has like grown in the past week. Like, there have been so many videos like just random hates. Like Nick Granick, he posted a video a few days ago about like anonymous hate, and it's like, what? Like, that's kind of really ungrateful, because these people put out videos for their fans and subscribers and stuff, and it's like, do you know how long it takes to freaking edit a video? Like, my hair video, it took me like an hour and a half to edit that. That's a lot of time and work just to edit a 3-minute video. And it's like, these people, like, they don't have to make videos. They don't have to do any of this, but they do it because they have subscribers. And it's kind of ungrateful if you're gonna be like commenting like rude shit on their videos and make them feel terrible about themselves. And it's like, if you don't like their videos, if you don't like them, unsubscribe. Don't watch their videos. It's easy as that. It's like, where are you gonna get by hating on someone? Because truth is, for like one hate comment that I see, there's at least 5 fans that back them up. So like, really, what's the point of commenting on a video which is hate? And like, where are you gonna get with this? Like, maybe not that many people are even probably gonna see it. And for those people that actually read the comments, like, how the fuck would you feel if like you had a handful of people just commenting on your videos, telling you stuff about life, like they don't know you and you don't know them? Like, just imagine it. Like, I'm a person of empathy, and I put myself in situations like in other people's view to get a better feel of what they think. That's why sometimes like there are a lot of comments that I want to comment on a video, but like they're not even like hate comments, but they're not like hateful like me saying hate, but it's like just kind of like an opinion or something, and I'm like, why am I gonna post this? Where am I gonna get by posting this? And it's really pointless for me to post it, so I don't post it. Like, in the past couple of days, I was wanting to post something like on Damon's videos, and it was just something like funny or something, and I'm like, I don't really need to post this because, you know, like, no one's gonna see it, and I mean, I just don't feel the need to post comments on videos anymore. And it's just like, come on, I don't even know anymore.